Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download the Epson L565 printer driver. So you have to first open any browsers to Google search box to type like that, and after that you can see the epson.co.in. This is official website. Just click on it. Scroll down, click to driver, scroll down to printer driver and click to download. Scroll down, I agree the software and license agreement. So you can see Windows 10 11 64 10 11 64 both is working, and click to download. After that you can see it will start downloading. So it completed, then just single click to open. After that click yes, and then this is self default and automatic update. So if you need to default and automatic update of software, so you can check it, otherwise click to OK. Then select the languages, then click to OK, I agree, and then OK. So you can see there are two options to install: network and USB. So in network, click to search option. After that you can see select this search of the automatic current network of segment. So when you click to OK, so it will scan automatically. Otherwise, if you know different subnet and different IP, so you just enter the IP address and subnet mask. Okay. Otherwise, complete printer of specific IP, so you can see the enter and then click to OK. It will scan. Okay. Second is USB. So via USB, connect to USB to your laptop and desktop. See, it will connect it. Okay. Then next to install.